Welcome to KF House. Come on back.
One thing that's unique about KF Valves is the different level of expertise that we have, from the management team to assembly workers to the warehouse floor. Everyone brings different ideas and collaboration, which allows us to make decisions together and quickly.
What's been the biggest win that you witnessed now that we manufacture valves in Houston, Texas?
Just people knowing that KF is not dead. KF is strong, and it's going to continue to get stronger as we go into the future. You know, it's important that people believe in us and believe in our name, because the people believe in the product, and we want our customers to believe in the same product like we do.
The most unique aspect of KF Valves is the 60-year legacy. We have a lot to uphold in regards to the position of KF in our industry, and we are working really hard to make sure that we do not drop quality no matter where we manufacture our valves. But being back home in Houston, Texas has really made that a joy.